Abashayeli bezimoto bazongena bethi shi emakhukhwini kuleli sonto. Njengoba amanani kawoyela enyuka emhlabeni, lokhu kungenzeka kube nomthelela kubagibeli bamatekisi. Kodwa imboni yamatekisi eTshwane ithi angeke iwenyuse amanani okugibela kwamanje. Kepha ixwayise ngokuthi ayazi ukuthi ukuhoxiswa kokwenyuka kwemali yamatekisi kuzokwenzeka kuze kube nini.
We'll be waiting for Santago if ever there will be price increase from the taxi industry. Otherwise, we will be stable and saying that the price will remain the same.
Any increment, increment that will happen now, it won't affect them immediately because we're still going to go in our drawing board and see how best can we assist our commuters, but not forgetting that we're also in business to make profit.
Yize kungakabibikho ukugqoza kukawoyela okungako kulelo kwamanje, abanikazi bamatekisi bathi ukuhlinzekwa kwawo akusenalo uzinzo. Lokhu kuletha ukukhathazeka ngezinyanga ezizayo.
It has been the most difficult time. We have been faced with so many challenges, especially the past 3 weeks. We have seen ourselves struggling to secure consistent deliveries because of the prices that have been hiked. And unfortunately for us, we can't just hike the price like that because the majors that are next to us, they've kept their prices.
Intengo kaphethiloli kulindeleke inyuke ngo-R5 litha, kuthi udizili unyuke ngaphezulu kuka-R9 kusukela phakathi kwamabili kusasa. Lokho kungenzeka kube nomthelela emalini okugibela amakhumbi kuleli.